guys, so today I am going to be finally do a review and a first impression of the Dabur, is that how you pronounce it? Amla hair oil. Now some of you have been requesting me that I try out this brand. Apparently this was very famous on TikTok, and at first it was kind of hard for me to get a hold of this, but however I found this at an Indian shop. I bought this from there, and this is what it looks like right here. It came in a box like this, and I kind of ripped off that part. And to my surprise, it actually looks green, because when I did make my own DIY Amla oil using the Amla powder, and I infused it with the oil of my choice, which is the VCO. The infused oil from the Amla powder that I got is actually more of like a musky brown color, you know, when I did it. And according to some people, they added some green dyes to this. And also the very reason why that I like trying a lot of is because, of course, Amla is great for hair growth, and at the same time it makes your hair stronger. And also for some people, they said that this actually can sort of like reverse or delay the graying of hair. And in here, this is exactly what it claims to be. So it says here that it makes your hair long, strong, and dark. So yeah, basically I just want to try out if this works best versus the DIY Amla oil that I made, or if they have the same, you know, results and effects on my hair. We find that the ingredients are very interesting, because this one has palm oil and canola oil, and mostly those oils are the oils that we use for cooking. I'm just gonna flash the ingredients right here, because some of these ingredients I just cannot pronounce. Alright, so from what I've seen, people just applied it directly on their hair. Some people, they said that you have to dilute it with another carrier oil. Actually, I was watching other people's videos, and they said that this contains mineral oil. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just gonna apply this all over my hair, but I'm not gonna apply it on my scalp, because since it has mineral oil, it has a tendency to create product buildup and all that, and I don't have any clarifying shampoos here. All the shampoos that I have here mostly are sulfate free, so I don't think I would be able to properly wash it out. Ooh, it has a very, very strong scent. Okay, I think I'm just gonna apply it all over, probably that much for a while. I'm just gonna apply this all over my hair. Wow. Okay, I know a lot of people complain about the smell. I can see why now. I'm not so sure if it's, I don't think it's the Amla though. Oh, okay. So when I made the Amla oil using the Amla powder and the oil that I was using, it didn't really have the scent. I'm not gonna drench my hair with it. I'm just gonna apply maybe just until here. I'm gonna avoid my scalp because I don't want to experience any product buildups. It's very easy to apply on the hair though, which is nice. It's just the overpowering scent of this. Alright, so at this point, I'm just going to, as I've said, leave it on my hair for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it off. And if you guys notice, you can see that my hair is fully oiled, but I didn't soak it with the oil. Just because it's not really necessary, it doesn't mean that the more oils or the more you drench your hair with oil, the more effective it's going to be. But I think that applying just enough on your hair is a way to go. Just because you don't want your hair to look way down, at the same time, so that it will be easier for you to get rid of the oils as soon as you wash it off. Alright, so I'm just gonna wet my hair with water and then wash it off. So what I'm going to be using is my Tresemme shampoo, just because this is the only shampoo that I have here that I think has sulfate. So this can properly wash it off. Alright, now that's done, I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it off with water and then let you guys see the results. Alright you guys, so I actually like its result on my hair. It did make my hair soft and smooth. The effect of this is like the same as when I did my DIY Amla oil. However, the only thing is that if you are the type of person who cannot stand strong scents or fragrances, then maybe this might put you off, because I had to shampoo my hair twice just in order for me to get rid of the smell of it. But its effect is really nice on the hair. And also probably some of you, if you know your hair cannot handle mineral oil, or maybe if that's not your preference at all to put on your hair, then maybe that could be an issue for you. That's exactly the reason why I did not put this oil on my scalp at all, and I just put it all over my hair, is because of that reason. It really did, but overall I think it really did make my hair really soft and smooth. Alright, that's it you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you all have tried out this product, and also what do you all think about it, and also if you like it or not. Alright, so that's it. I hope you all liked this video, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!